Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In April 2019, the United States Defense Security Cooperation Agency approved the sale of 24 MH-60R anti-submarine helicopters to India for a 2.6 billion US dollar deal. During Trump's visit to India, this deal was fast-tracked and we also saw the first look of the Sikorsky MH-60R chopper with Indian markings during Indian Navy Day, which was December 4, 2020. As per the latest update, Indian Navy would be receiving the first batch of two MH-60R helicopters by July 2021 and the third one during end of 2021 tentatively. Coming to another deal which is yet to be finalized, in February 2016, Airbus Helicopters promised to relocate the global production line for the AS-565 Panther to India if it was selected by the Indian Navy for the 111 Naval Utility Helicopters RFI. As per one of my videos, I have also mentioned that Airbus was even ready to lease these choppers if required. Since we discussed the two helicopters which have been of interest to the Indian Navy, I thought it would be good to compare these two choppers at a high level and see how they look. So let us begin with the comparison. And as usual, let's begin with the definition of these choppers. The Sikorsky SH-60 or MH-60R Seahawk is a twin turboshaft engine multi-mission marine helicopter which can be deployed aboard relevant frigates, destroyers, combat support ships, amphibious assault ships and aircraft carriers. These Seahawk helicopters can handle a variety of roles like anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, combat search and rescue and medical evacuation. Coming to Airbus Panther helicopter, the Eurocopter or Airbus Helicopters AS-565 Panther is the military version of Eurocopter AS-365 Dolphin medium-weight multipurpose twin-engine chopper. The Panther is used for a wide range of military roles including the combat assault, fire support, anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue and medical evacuation. So that was the definition about the two helicopters which we are comparing in this particular video. Let's quickly see the vital general characteristics side by side and the same has been displayed on the screen. Seeing the general characteristics looks like capacity wise, maximum takeoff weight wise, Sikorsky takes the leading space, but that alone can't decide that Sikorsky is better than the Airbus chopper which we are comparing here. So let's continue with the performance parameters. So the performance parameters which we are comparing here is the maximum speed, the range, the service ceiling and the range of climb. And if you see the performance parameters, Airbus Panther takes a lead here. Let's quickly see about the engines which power these marine choppers. The MH-60R helicopter from Sikorsky is powered by two General Electric T700 GE401C turboshaft engines, each rated at 1410 kilowatts or 1890 shp power. Coming to Airbus AS-565 Panther, these choppers are equipped with two Turbomeca Ariel 2C turboshaft engines, each rated at 635 kilowatts or 852 horsepower. Let's quickly see the armament which can be equipped on these choppers. Sikorsky MH-60R helicopters can be equipped with a range of weapons on the 4 weapon station, and these include the AGM-114 Hellfire anti-surface missiles, the ATM Mk-50 or Mk-46 active and passive lightweight torpedoes, advanced precision kill weapon system, a pintle-mounted 7.62 mm M60 or M240 machine gun which can be fitted for self-defense. Now coming to Airbus Panther armament details, these choppers can be equipped with the GIAT M621 20 mm cannon pods, 68 mm and 70 mm unguided rockets, the Mistral air-to-air missiles, AS-15 French anti-surface missiles, HOT anti-tank missiles, and Mk-46 anti-submarine warfare torpedo missiles. So that was the details about the armaments. Let's quickly see the avionics detail. Starting with the Sikorsky MH-60R helicopter. These choppers have a multi-function digital class cockpit designed and supplied by Lockheed Martin Systems. Coming to the navigation suite, the Northrop Grumman LN-100G dual embedded global positioning system and inertial navigation system are equipped on these helicopters. Coming to radar, the radars are supplied by the Telephonics. It's AN/APS 153 multimode radar with automatic radar periscope detection and discrimination capability. Other avionics are the voice radio, which is supplied by Rockwell Collins. The missile approach warning system is supplied by ATK. And Raytheon is a company which supplies the thermal imaging sensor. Coming to low frequency sonar, which is supplied jointly by Raytheon and Thales. Now coming to the avionics details of Airbus Panther. These choppers are equipped with an advanced human-machine interface glass cockpit with vehicle and engine multifunction display, integrated electronic standby instrument, and usage monitoring system. Not just that, it also has a traffic collision avoidance system, the terrain awareness and warning system, and a dedicated mission display coupled with a multi-sensor processor. In addition to what I mentioned, it also has a 4-axis automatic flight control system, a flight management system, and an advanced search radar. The principal element of the ASW configured Panthers is the helicopter long-range active sonar, a dipping sonar. Coming to the electronic warfare suite, which is supplied by Thales, is the TMV-011 Sherlock radar warning receiver. Let us now see which countries are common operators of these choppers. Countries which operate both these choppers are Brazil, Israel, South Korea, and Saudi Arabia. If Indian Navy selects the Airbus Panther chopper, even India would join this list, but we need to wait and see if that happens. So that was a high-level comparison between the Sikorsky MH-60R and Airbus AS565 Panther choppers. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.